Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review on the Whynter Elite 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner dehumidifier. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention too, real quick, that I actually found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So this is Whynter's latest and greatest brand new portable air conditioner model, their highest end one that they made, kind of off the success of last year's portable air conditioner that they made. It got a lot of good praise, and this is kind of their newest, latest upgraded version of it. So how is it? Well, in short, it's excellent. It takes everything that was so good about the last year's model and improves the little small nuances that they got wrong last year. This is really the perfect unit, and for the money, if you want a very good quality, high-end portable air conditioner that's going to last you for a really long time, in my opinion, this is the one to get, hands down. Okay, so why do I think that way? For one, this thing is built like an absolute tank. You can really tell the build quality of this is just premium. It feels premium, it looks premium, and it's just built exceptionally well. Second is the quality of the motors and the components it uses inside. It's very quiet when it's running. That's in part due to the quality of the motors that they use in this unit. It's not a loud, annoying air conditioner like a lot of them are. The compressor runs very quietly, the fans run very quietly, and it moves a lot of air. Now this is a 12,000 BTU unit, which can cool a very large room. It can actually do great rooms like with kitchens attached, no problem at all. But at the same time, it's very simple to use. Very basic controls on the front: power, fan speed, timer mode, and then your temperatures up and down. There's a nice LCD readout that is backlit that you can see the temperature when you need it. It comes with everything you need to hook it up and vent it. All the window kits and vent tubes are included. It has a good remote control with it as well, and the dehumidifying function on it works exceptionally well. It can be drained through a hose if you want continuous dehumidification without ever having to empty the bin, or it does have a catch bin in it that you will have to empty if you don't have the drain hose. Another thing I really like about this unit is its energy efficiency. It barely sips energy for an air conditioner. Based on my tests and calculations, I would say this will probably cost you somewhere around $30 a year to run all year round, and that's with a moderate temperature, keeping your room around 76 to 78 degrees, which is very cool. Sometimes I have to turn it up a little higher than that because it is very cool. But yeah, overall, highly recommend this. For the money, it's amazing. This thing will last a really long time, and it's very good quality. Anyway, if you have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.